Hi! Today I'm taking you to a bathroom remodel we did in a bathroom in Morningside, Miami. It's all Thassos Marble and it's spectacular. So let me take you through it.
The original bathroom sported a hardwood floor that had dry rotted due to water damage. The entire bathroom had to go down to the studs. All the tile was removed and a new waterproof membrane was installed underneath the new tile. The floors were removed and replaced with large format Thassos marble. The same Thassos marble was used throughout the entire shower surround. The entire bathroom was tied together with a brand new vanity sporting this gorgeous acrylic vessel sink. The vanity was then finished with Thassos marble tops that matched the same Thassos marble used on the floors and in the shower surround. The shower pan also sports the same material, but this time in a beautiful chevron mosaic. The entire bathroom comes together like a work of art. To finish everything off, we use this gorgeous modern chrome valve from Grow.
For cabinetry in this bathroom, we had to take a kind of different approach. We needed a very custom sizing and a very custom look, but we didn't have a custom budget. So we took these off-the-shelf cabinets. They're kitchen cabinets, actually, and normally they have a toe kick at the bottom, about 3 inches. We cut that toe kick off, which made these cabinets now a vanity height. Added the custom countertop, added these custom handles, and voila, we had a custom vanity in this bathroom. Now, one of the things that really does tie a room together are window treatments. And in this case, we had this one window that was centrally located. So my friends at the shade store were able to offer me this amazing product that lets light in, but gives you the privacy you need inside your bathroom. Now, as I mentioned to you before, this entire bathroom is clad in a large format white Thassos marble. This particular material is actually a crystal marble, so it has a little bit of special detailing in it. If you're looking for material like this, you can find it at Stonica in Miami. If you mention Remy's name, you might even get a deal.